Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your bookings in the Fonacab Belfast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the bookings button. And as you can see, you can check your active, your upcoming or your past bookings. And if you have any, then these are going to be listed under the appropriate category. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.